So because this order was for 5 different items, I decided to sort of cut a box specifically to be able to fit the neck surgery kit, the radius sander kit for the drill press, the fretting kit, the bridge slotting kit, and the neck removal kit. So all 5 items are going into one box. And this is the full box that we started with. That's what we ended up with. It's such an odd size. It's 27 by 21 by 12 job. So it was a bit of a Rubik's Cube to figure this one out. But the nice thing about this is Leroy's getting all of the product in one box, so there's one shipping charge. Now this is going to Dubai, right? So he's basically getting everything in one fell swoop.